In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use two Google Drive accounts on one PC. Welcome. Managing multiple Google Drive accounts on a single computer might seem a bit tricky, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Whether you need separate drives for work and personal use, or you just have different storage needs, this approach will keep your workflows organized and efficient. Let's start at the beginning, installing Google Drive for desktop. This application allows you to seamlessly integrate your Google Drive with your PC, working almost like another hard drive. You can easily manage your online storage directly from your desktop. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head over to the Google Drive website, download the app, and follow the installation prompts. Once it's installed, you should see the Drive icon pop up in your taskbar. This is your gateway to managing Google Drive on your PC. With Google Drive for desktop in place, your next step is to set it up for multi-account use. Click on that Drive icon in your taskbar. A window will appear, and what you want to do is look for that little gear icon which represents settings. It's normally in the upper right corner. Click on it and then select Preferences. This is where you can tweak how your Google Drive integrates with your PC, but more importantly, it's where you'll manage your accounts. In the Preferences window, look at the top right corner to find your profile icon. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. The option you're looking for is Add another account. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter the login details for another Google account. Go ahead and sign in with your second account's credentials. This could be another personal account, your work account, or any other Google account you manage. Once you're signed in, both of your Google Drive accounts will be up and running on your PC. They'll appear as separate folders within the same Google Drive app environment. This means you can easily switch between them and move files as needed without the hassle of logging in and out. You can even drag and drop files between your different accounts folders directly from your desktop. And that's it. With Google Drive for desktop, you can efficiently manage multiple Google Drive accounts on a single PC, each accessible with just a few clicks. This setup allows for seamless file management across your accounts, maintaining your productivity and organization. Thanks for following along, and I hope this video helps you manage your drives more effectively. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.